Hey, hi friends. Welcome to the 49th live session of Engineer Abhishek Roshan channel, guys. Due to some reason, the previous live session got interrupted because of the network issues and all. So again, I have created this new live session. So let me share you this link with everyone. Am I audible, guys? So very good evening to all of you guys. My apologies. Okay. So due to some reason, the previous live session, yeah. So due to some reason, the previous live session got interrupted because of that internet issue and all. Okay. So I have already shared the new link to join this live session. One second, guys. Let me do something first. Okay. Just give me 1 second. Okay. Let me share the link to everyone, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm back. Sorry, I have to correct everywhere the link and all. Yeah, so very good evening, good morning to all of you guys. My apologies, first of all, because of the internet issue in this area, heavy rain is there, okay, and it got disconnected, connected. So I have a backup network also with me. So this is why I have to keep two backups, two network I have kept it. So in between, like where while switching from one network to the other network, it got completely interrupted. So I have removed the previous live session, guys, and I have shared the latest link of the this live session. So I request all of you to join in this live session only. So thank you for joining this live session, guys. So as I told you that I'm going to talk about, first of all, before taking the questions from everyone. So I am going to explain about the batch 4, right? As I told you, let me know if you guys are able to see my screen quickly. Okay, please confirm me that are you able to see my screen. Okay. Can you confirm me? Can somebody confirm me my screen is visible to you guys? Okay. So now, guys, let me take you quickly through this course and all. As soon as you go to abhishekroshan.com, guys, so there are two things on the, and as I told you, this entire thing is not owned by Abhishek Roshan. It's completely now a legal entity. So I am the Chief Managing Director of Abroad Technology Services LLP. It's a limited liability partnership. Now everything, whatever you guys are going to get with the terms and condition and with the policy and everything, and it's according to the company only. So it's a startup only, and even if you are those who are going to work in this company, they are also going to get the experience letter, and they are also going to get the offer letter as usual, like other IT company, right? So every content, everything is owned by now Abroad Technology Services LLP. Now, first thing is, I just wanted to make it very clearly that those I have in the last to last session also, I have made it very clearly that in my website, there is no recorded videos, right? There is no concept of recorded videos, because recorded videos is not going to help you. And I have received so many comments. It's only like only 10% of the candidates it's helping. Okay. What about rest of the candidates? They need some kind of a support, right? If they are getting stuck. So that is what I'm going to discuss about the live session. And for if you're looking for a recorded videos and all, so you guys can go ahead and you can join my channel membership, guys. Okay, so let's come over here. So there is an internship program which is especially designed for the freshers, where they are going to get the internship later. Okay, when they are going to come forward and join my company internship program. Okay, so according to that, the internship letter will be distributed to them. And there is another program also. I just wanted to show you how it's look like, guys. So you can see if internship without training or internship with training, it is there. So this is program, it is still in progress, so I don't wanted to go into this one. So let's talk about the batch 4 only, guys. Okay, that I'll discuss later on, right? That is purely for the freshers, guys, and all. And this is a course, okay, that is the upcoming live classes. I told you I am running only which is taught by me from day 1 to till 6 months completely, 180 days. Okay, 6 months if you calculate, it is coming like that only, right? So if you go and if you see, right, and in this one from day 1 to last day, okay, so it is going to cover each and everything. Let's discuss when it's going to start, what is the duration of this live online classes, purely live classes it is. Okay, and what is the course fee is, the actual course fee is 40K. Okay, and that is 100% reasonable, justified, guys, if you have gone through my content and the effort I am putting for you guys. Okay, so I am honest with everything, there is nothing hidden, everything is transparent. Okay, so now let's come over here, and you can see, if you wanted to see how my live batch conducted for batch 2 and batch 3, you can click on this video, you can check. Candidates have been, it's not only from India. So my candidates are from Sweden, they are from Germany, they are from UK, they are from US. My candidates are from all over the world, and they are getting placed, and they are getting handsome packages also. And whatever I am saying, So I am saying with 100% responsibility, I am taking 100% ownership, right? Because I am sitting in a live session. So, right, it is 100% authentic. My candidates have been placed. I have their records. I have their offer letter with me, right? Everything is with proof. Okay, it's not like others simply saying just you say anything. No, I'm not like that, and I don't do sugar coating things, guys. As I told you very clearly, I'm a straightforward person, and also I don't want to disguise my experienced professional who is working into this IT industry and who is fresher also, right? What others are doing, I am not getting into that part, but what I can do it for you guys, that I can tell you, okay, very honestly. So this course is for 6 months. First of all, you should be very clearly that, and that if you're telling Abhishek finish it early and all, please go ahead and read by terms and conditions. This course is not, this is not a course. First of all, see what I have written over here. It's a corporate boot camp. So it's like, as I told you, it's not Abhishek Roshan, okay, from or in some kind of an institute. It is from Abroad Technology Services LLP, where you are going to get trained, right? How to work in production environment. Each and everything will be trained. Okay, you will be get trained, you will get skillful, and most of my candidates are getting placed. I have a proof also for that one. What type of a class it is? It is not a offline classes. Okay, it is completely a online classes. Now batch is going to start from 31st of July. Batch is going to start from 31st of July 2025, and very limited seats. You know, I don't take more than 30 candidates in one batch, but now I have increased that limit to 50 because there have been so many requests have been coming. Sir, please take me. As I told you that before taking you into my classes also, I do a basic screening of my candidates. Okay, right? Because I need to make sure once I'll attach to you, once I have the full responsibility I am taking for you guys. Okay, so and my company is going to dedicate time, and they are going to even I am giving that is fine, but my team is also going to give support to you 24. It's not 24 into 7. Again, I am telling you, okay, what others are telling, it's 12 into 5. Very honest answer with that one, right? Batch timing. So this batch is going to be 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Very clearly. Now course language, it's going to be English only, because that is a global language. In companies also, they are going to take interviews in English only. So according to that, I am training my candidates. Even during these 6 months, it's not just a technical training. Very honestly, I'm telling you, it's not just a technical training. I'll be completely doing mentorship with you. Okay, somebody has asked just now one question, sir, that my communication skills. So guys, I am also helping in that part also. I am also helping in motivation part also, and I am making sure that everyday class is very interactive. Your participation is mandatory in every day. Okay, that is how the class will be, guys. And the course validity, if it is written here lifetime, then it's going to be lifetime, because now it is from a company. As I told you, this entire website, the copyright belongs to Abroad Technology Services LLP. The proof of this one, you guys can go and check in Ministry of Common Affairs. And Ministry of Common Affairs means in Government of India has given me this certificate, and they have asked, now you are the author, you are a startup, okay, and your entry is already there in Udyam, your entry is already there in MSME. So I am a startup, right? So everything is legal and it's done. And those who are going to get the internship later also, like if I'm telling the freshers and all, for them also it's going to be from my company, right? Everything. So let's come to this part only. Let me finish it quickly, guys, then I'll start taking your questions, right? So what all options you are getting, that is also a request, sir, we cannot pay. As I told you, the course fee is 40K. There is nothing in this one. Okay, 40K is the course fee, and what you are going to get. So you can make an installment payment if you are going with 40K, but if you are making a one shot payment, it is going to be 30K, right? And what all things I am going to cover in these 6 months, you have to see that one. Nobody is doing like that. Okay, so the first thing is entire Linux Whether you can see it's included everything, whether Linux, everybody talks about basic command and all, but my every topic has a real time scenarios. Okay, every topic has a real time scenarios where I am discussing. If you are executing this one, then in production environment, how you have to execute, right? And how, where, what issues you are going to get in your environment, those issues I am discussing over here, right? So it's a complete real-time production environment corporate training from a company across technology services LLP, and I am the instructor of this company. It's this company also belongs, because I am only the chief managing director. Okay, so there is another partner also of this company. You guys can go and you can verify. I am openly saying this one. Okay, so that is what the straightforward. Okay, so here network user management, why we are doing user management, where is the implementation of user management in real time, everything has been discussed in detail, guys. Okay, with real time projects, okay, with real time troubleshooting. If you are doing SSH authentication, software package and management, here I am discussing patching also. You guys will not believe, it's not just a software package management like how YUM or DNF has been configured, but also I am telling how patching has been done. So there are so many hidden things inside this also, which you guys are not going to get anywhere, because there are some contents which I cannot mention publicly. Confidentiality will be there because it is directly from, I am replicating from my previous organizations and all in my own infrastructure. Okay, so network file system, DNS, NTP, LDAP, Apache HTTP is there, or Apache Tomcat. Once you will finish this one, right? So also you need to remember here I'm that part I am coming now. Okay, Linux shell scripting will be there. Entire Linux shell scripting with all real-time scripts. With all real-time scripts. If you guys wanted to see, just see this one, how I am giving to my candidates also. Okay, then you will understand what sort of a content I am teaching. This is why my candidates are getting success. Okay, it's not something from you guys. See, I am very straightforward, guys. Okay, might be I cannot do sugar coating things, but at the same time I have to make sure that might be I look like I talk very harsh, okay, but my way is like this only, guys, very honestly speaking, because I cannot tell lie to anyone. If I have to guide you, then I have to make sure you should get 100% from this industry, what we are doing in this industry, right? You see here, if I talk about batch 2 only, let's talk about, okay, and in this one, see what all assignments will be given to you. Like this, all you can download. These are the assignments like this. All are real-time scenarios questions only. All are, even the solutions will be also there. Now the most important part, as I told you, what is the CIS standard? Hardening also I am teaching. Nobody will do this much. They will, I know what others are doing, but again I am not going what others, what I can do, I can do that only. SOPs also I have created for that, also you can download. Okay, daily command sheet, just understand, like after every classes there will be a like classes wise commands will be there. You can download this one. Right now the next thing is, guys, this is important. If I'll take you everything license, this must shell scripting I was talking about. See, all real-time scenario like system health report script. Okay, like this I have created more than 100 scripts. Every script has been discussed in detail in shell scripting, so that you can showcase yourself these things in your resume directly, practically, everything. And these SSHD service traces with nested if then else, like this, there is, so you can see 37 pages. Okay, almost 37 pages, right? What type of scripts I am giving to them, my existing candidates. You see, if you know, see, if I tell you this simple thing, see, real time production level script input and output for file descriptor and all. Same thing I am doing for Linux. Same thing I am doing for shell scripting. Who will do, guys? This much patience, this much teaching, right? Everything will be, if you are paying in one shot 30K, if you are, the course fee is 40K. Okay, so once you done with this one, then I am taking my candidates here. Then I am taking you to this part. Okay, where is that? Amazon Web Services. Here also one real-time project will be there, purely real-time. All the topics has been covered with real-time migration project. Now in DevOps, who will teach DevOps is there, GitHub is there. Now Maven and Jenkins is deprecated, so I have introduced GitHub Action. Soon it will be here only for Batch-4. That is the added one. Docker will be there, containerization will be there, automation tool will be there, monitoring tool in monitoring tool Splunk and Grafana is there. In this DevOps 3 migration project is there, which I have done in my previous organized. Same project I am replicating over here in my own infrastructure. Provisioning to Terraform. What else I have left it? Now you tell me, if I am very honestly speaking, if I am going to ask you that if simply you go anywhere, if you simply learn Linux, they will charge 10K. For shell scripting, they will charge 10. It will be more than that. For DevOps, people are charging 20K with nothing. They are just institute or an individual. But here you are getting trained from a LLP, limited liability partnership. It's a company, right? Now what you guys are going to get, first and most important is that as soon as you complete this course, before nobody has received this one, now from you are going to get a 6 months corporate training certification from Abrosh Technology Services LLP, not from Abhishek Roshan, from this company, which is purely legal. You can showcase anywhere, right? The certificate will be like this. Like I have given an example, Sandesh, right? Goda, and you can see it is a just example, okay? And here properly CMD signature will be there, managing director signature will be there, and my company logo will be there. You can go and show it to anyone without any hesitation, because I am true. I am not fake like others, right? What others are doing. Now next thing is that, as you said, why this course is so much important. First part is customized resume, professional resume with tailored roles and responsibility. As I told you, since you are going to cover complete Linux, complete shell scripting, where complete AWS, where database is also there, plus complete DevOps with all migration. You go find out. Nobody will teach with DevOps only in 10K. With real-time migration project, which you can showcase in your resume. It's not from some free project and all what others are doing. Netflix project, what you will do with Netflix project? Have you worked with Netflix company? So please teach my people. You guys are my own people, right? If I am telling something, so I have to tell you with 100% practically proven, right? You should have proof of that one. So whatever I am telling you, everything has a proof, right? Now the next thing is that resume, whether you want to go for a Linux admin role, whether you wanted to go for a platform engineer role, whether you wanted to go for application support engineer role, whether you wanted to go for a production support engineer role, SRE role, site reliability engineer role, or you wanted to go for a DevOps role, you wanted to go for a system integration role, for all of them, I am going to give you the roles and responsibility according to your experience level. But before that, you have to be get skilled. Now 3 mock interview free completely, means it's, I don't say it comes with the course only. As soon as you finish the Linux and shell scripting part, 1 mock interview. As soon as you'll finish the AWS, another mock interview. As soon as you'll finish the DevOps, another mock interview. 3 mock interview. Who will do, guys? You have go and check in my channel how I take mock interviews. Those are the real questions. Now I have recently, again, I got a confirmation from my channel only. People have been taking questions, and now they are asking in interviews. Guys, I have a very vast experience of taking interviews of more than 300 plus candidates. Already I have taken, and I have given also. This is why those questions are so much real-time questions only. Because if I have to hire you, so I am going to ask question from my environment, right? Or should I ask some question from the book? What I am doing in my environment, those questions only, troubleshooting issues only I am going to ask you in interview, right? Nobody is ready to understand these things. You only wanted to see what you like. But the harsh truth you have to understand, the harsh truth is that the questions will be from the troubleshootings, real-time troubleshootings. Fine. Practical assignments, as I have shown you some of those, you are going to get hands-on practical assignments. You can download during classes, doubt clearing sessions will be there. Technical resources, as I told you, you are going to get commands, you are going to get scripts, you are going to get SOPs, you are going to get all the tools free. You can download and you can learn. Lifetime access, if it is there, means 100%. Only with this live courses. This is not a recorded videos. Very honestly, I'm telling you, those who are under impression that Abhishek is going to give, no boss, I am not like others that in front of you I'll say something and backside I'll do something else. No. So everything, all the content of this website is owned by Abrosh Technology Services LLP. Okay, all the terms and condition according to Abrosh Technology Services LLP. It's a company. Okay, it's IT company where we are giving education skills, right? So that you guys can get a good job. Every step I'm ready to help. Resume template also, if you are, we are going to give you. If you need some kind of a format also, we are ready to give you. Interview preparation, question and answer, you no need to worry. All interview question and preparation, questions and answer will be given to you. Career counseling, whenever you tell Abhishek, I wanted to go ahead for the career counseling, so your career counseling will be there. 12x5 support. As I said, I don't ditch like others do. Simply they will say something and they will upload something somewhere and then they will start charging for that one. No, it's not like that. 12x5 support means what? Morning 9 a.m. to evening 9 p.m. Monday to Friday, me and my team will be there to support you. If you have any queries related to any of these, anything, it's not only the technical part I am telling you. It's like that if you are struggling in your current company also. All of you know that in current company, so many things will be there. Sometimes you have a problem with your colleague. Sometimes you have a problem with a team lead. Sometimes you have a problem with a manager, right? You wanted to leave the company. What to do, how to do, right? What decision needs to be made, when to take those decisions. I have came across all those. That is also has been done in this 12x5 support. What else you want? Complete mentorship. During 6 months, I will be there and you will be added to a WhatsApp group where Batch-4 candidates only will be there. It's not community. Only Batch-4 candidates will be there so that you can ask your question in that group. And even if you are introvert, then you can ask that question one-to-one to me. You can send me voice note, you can send me messages. You see, I'll show you again. I'll give you the proof. See, if I click here, I have added, 1 second guys. See, those chats also I'm showing you. Some of them are having like Chitna is there. I don't want it to take anybody name because I totally respect individual privacy and confidential policy and all. Hara Prasad is there. Sorry, sir. I missed an issue of mic enabled. So I shared day 17 video like this because the earlier process I used to do manually. So this is why I have put everything in my website only. You guys can come here, you enroll yourself. Like every day there will be link send to your email, send to in this group. You guys can connecting 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Friday live sessions. Everything will be updated in this group only, like this. You see, good morning sir, this is Ravindra. Due to health issues, my mother, it's like, see, I see how I am responding to them. So no problem, please take care of your mother, right? First, my words look like harsh, guys, but I am a very ethical person, very process oriented person, and I respect every individual first of all, and I cannot misguide you. I already have an AWS account, just through I copy the text. But so like some of the chats are from my 100 days of from the main group. Some of them are from individual also. Like somebody is asking here like FTP user something, how to call the FTP. I'm unable to have the successful login. But when I'm yes step which you have done like this, I am answering also. You see when he has responded, when I am responding. See, that guy has asked me this much in night. You can see how I am responding within 1 or 1.5 hours. Who will do, guys? Nobody is doing like this. Because I teach only 50 candidates. Earlier in this batch, only 30 candidates. I am not like money minded so much of. Because I am not going to take this money with me when I'll die, okay? I know what is needed for me and my effort. It's totally my effort. For that only I am charging. Because I am putting my heart, my effort completely into this one to make sure you guys will get success, right? So here you can see all the commands and everything I am giving them. They are asking, I am giving, like this guy Bhargav. Okay, you see, Alex is from UK. Ivan, she's from US. Proof is there. Tell me who's teaching US, UK, and those candidates. These guys are getting placed in federal government also over there of $180K package. I have their offer letter also with me. Who will teach? Only how much I am charging? 40K for each and every module. For Linux 10K. If you take it like that also. On top of that also I am trying to help. Okay, no, if you are paying one shot, pay 30K only. Right? Please go ahead and read the terms and condition also of my classes. This is also I am telling you. I am very honest person. Nothing is hidden. Like in front of you, I am saying something. It is here, right? You can take the screenshot also. Right? Everything is, please read the terms and condition of the classes, how you have to behave in the classes, what all ways you can ask the questions, everything in detail, in depth. Right? Candidates who have been already placed, these are the candidates. This guy was only 3.3 years of experience. He received 40 lakhs of package from GoDaddy. 3 packets he has received. Pratyush Panda, Ajay John. These are the guys. Sayantan is there. Balaji Shiv Kumar is there. This guy is already came to my this also you have seen, right? There is one career counseling with Balaji Shiv Kumar. So those packages, at least I cannot mention everyone over here, right? If you want, I can give proof that also. So those who are telling, sir, your fee is like high or something is there. So answer to them, boss, then you please go ahead somewhere else. Because I am only charging for my effort, my time, and I have given almost 14 years, right? And I am trying to help each and everyone. At the same time, I have to also make sure that things should be running, right? Correct? Because I am not that freebie, guys. Very honestly, like others they will clap with a freebie, and then those guys will upload their videos somewhere else and try to get money from you from there, right? They will upload somewhere in some servers, and then they will try to ask you to become a membership like that and all, right? And in front of you, and the what content they are giving, that also I know. Right? First, make sure you should reach to that position, guys. That is what. And I am not going into those part. I am very honest with each and everything. Everything will be crystal clear in front of you. If you wanted to be part of this batch 4, Please make sure seats are filling fast, okay, because I have a very limited seats and where I'm screening my candidates. And it's like I'm like somebody has asked me a question, right? Somebody has asked me a question, sir. Please tell me that what is that? I just missed that one. Somebody has asked in this one. Okay, now I'll start taking questions, guys. Okay. Paul, hi sir. Hey, hi Paul. Thank you for joining this live session. Manjunath Rao. Good evening, sir. Thanks for your videos. I'm learning day by day from it. Thank you, Manjunath. Okay. And there have been so many candidates also who have been gone through my channel membership. Did I ask them to join this live classes and all? But as I said, guys, if you have to be interact with me, if you want to get complete mentorship with me, you wanted to know how a production environment is there, how to troubleshoot in your production environment, how to go ahead with real time examples and exam scenarios, right? What we do in production environment, then you have to join my live session. How can you expect somebody that simply from a recorded videos I'll answer, right? It's impossible, right? Once you will join, once you are interacted, now just see this live session. If I have interacted with me, you are asking a question, right, directly. So that is what happening in the live classes, right? Immediately if you have a doubt, you can ask during the classes. I am sorting it out in the class. After the class also I am providing that support, right? In your each and every step for next 6 months, I'll be with you completely, because I am taking the ownership of that one. You are my younger sister and brothers, right? I have to help you. That is what I am doing, guys, with my honesty. Nothing wrong, right? Right? So that is there. And Paul Ajay Lawange, sir, I am working as a desktop support engineer, and how will become AWS plus Linux admin? Please join my batch 4, Ajay. I request you join my batch 4. You will see you will become more than this, because this is not a course. This is a corporate training. This is a corporate training from a corporate guy, not someone who is just having only 5 years or 8 years or 6 years of experience. I have extensively worked 14 years into this IT industry. Then I am very passionate about what I'm doing. And I am very, because I said very clearly, let's everybody learn, let's everybody earn. This is my basic, you can say, goal or aim. And I am not going to hide anything. Okay, if I'll tell you that one, so I am not going to get the job and all. No, boss, I don't worry about anything. I am going to tell you all positive, negatives, each and everything, whatever you are going to ask in my live classes for this IT industry. The dark side of IT industry, right? The bright side of IT industry, the positive side, how to working in this corporate culture, what is the negative side, how to overcome things and all, how to grow within the organization and all, right? Everything. Your communication skills also I'm helping. For that, people take another classes and all. But no, how to tackle it, that is what the question somebody has asked. Like, I'm not sure he has did not ask that question again. He asked me, sir, how to speak fluently English and all. Those things also I am helping. Communication skills, how you are going to improve for the interview purpose and all. If you are from a non-IT background, or if you have not much knowledge in English and all, like how to, when you are going for an interview, how to start in an interview, right? Everything, not only technical side, but you have to come forward, because you cannot clap with one hand. You need both the hands to clap, right? If you have to shake hand on, it's not only I have to put my hand forward, right, to shake hand with you. You have to also come forward for that one, guys. Those who have been come forward already, they have received that appreciation. They have already got good placements and all. they are still in touch with me, right? Correct. So I hope I am able to answer Ajay your question. Now let's go to the other question. K Ranjit, can we get a knowledge on land migration and land migration and all? Yes, that is also there a part of LVM. There are scenarios where your PV gets faulty and all, and how you are going to attach a LAN, right, to your virtual. But who will teach virtual machine? Also, I am teaching. When I start Linux, it's not only Linux. Those things, if I'll start mentioning now, it will cross more than 200 plus sessions. Just think of it, right? Right. Okay, Gopal Swami, hi brother. Any other course time available? I did not get your question. Any other? Okay, timing and all. If you are worried about the timing and all, very honestly, I am telling you, Gopal Swami, that there. See, when the batch 2 is finishing in July. So the batch 4 is starting. So when the batch 3 will be finished, the batch timing it's going to be morning. I ran only 2 batches, not more than that, because I give proper time to my batches. The batches will be not only 1 hour, it will cross 1 hour also. It is like somewhere some 1.5 hour also to until unless you will not understand, I will not leave the class. This is my principle. You go and check with any of my candidates. You have to, I'll make sure you will understand and you will not forget your entire life. Right? Guys, my voice is like this only. Might be it will be high pitch, it will be low pitch, because I believe what I'm doing. And same thing, I am making sure my candidate will get in for next 6 months. You join my batch, you'll understand what sort. It's not only, it's full of positive. If you are in depression also, you will forget your depression. What is depression? Fine, I'm not going into the other. There are so many small things are there, guys, which I can discuss, keep on discussing, right? So the other timing is, sorry Gopal Swami, to answer to your question, it's going to be 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. morning. Maybe the time will be shift. Okay, that batch is still not, that I cannot announce now, because that batch 3 is still going on. So batch 3 will finish, then batch 5 will start. Batch 2 is about to finish in July, so this is why 31st of July batch 4 is starting, right? So, and you have to adjust according to time if you are really interested. But again, no worries. If you wanted to join, then you can join my batch 5, okay, which will be morning as of now according to the current time. But I am going to do a poll. Might be that time will shift morning to 10 a.m. to maximum 11 a.m. Between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. that batch will be there. If it is fit according to your time zone, you go ahead and you can join that batch. That's what I can tell you. Okay, apart from this, there is no other batches. AWS I have already started in between, and that is not taught by me, that is taught by a different instructor, because I am fully occupied, brother. Okay, so that is there. Again, Vari Gonda, okay. Bhargav, hi Abhishek sir, I am following your Linux videos and interview videos. Thank you. Please go ahead, because even some of the candidates, okay, they have, if they have issues, financial issues and all, I told them very clearly, if you are looking for some kind of a recorded videos, it will be only available in my channel as a membership. For that, you have to join the membership. Okay, but the features and all, it will be recorded videos only. It is one-sided video only, and there is not much project into that one. Okay, live classes is absolutely different from, I have given you the reason also what you are going to get in live classes. Right now, other parties, as I told you, if you wanted to go for that, in my channel also enough content is there. This is why I'm asking you guys, those who have still not subscribed, just share this channel with everyone. Let's get everybody learn and earn, right? And I need your support, right? People support only those guys who do sugar coating, right? But I cannot do sugar coating only for to make you happy. No, if something is wrong, then it is wrong. If something is right, then it is 100% right. So those things I'm going to tell you. Okay, let's take the other question, guys. I'm course. Hi, Abhishek sir. Hi. Please mention your name. I'm doing my bachelor's in cyber security and in second year. Now, will this training be beneficial for me, or should I join this in my final third year, or what do you recommend? What you are waiting for? You can join now. There are some freshers also. We joined. My Jemu is there. Jameen. There are so many candidates in my batch 2 and batch 3. They are freshers. Otherwise, there she is fresher. She joins from Ireland, right? So it's not about, see, if you learn now, you can implement. While, see, the people who will think of doing after passing it out, you have been already done it. And you know, for cyber security, for all sort of auditing and all, we need security, right? Hardening and all, compliance related things and all, right? Linux is mandatory. You have to do it. Linux and shell scripting is mandatory for you, Paul. You cannot avoid. And why it is important in cyber security, networking is there in AWS. You'll come to know about how a networking setup will be there, how the traffic is coming from the internet gateway, then it will reach out to your data center gateway, from the data center gateway, how it is going to the route table, from the route table, how we are only allowing those traffic which should reach to my 3-tier architecture, like your database, your application, or your web layer, right? Or those microservices. Then you are going to do the subnet association. Then finally you are you are allowing the traffic to go to any of the zone, right? Zone 1, zone 2, or zone 3, or subnet 1. So this subnet concept is there. So these things are mandatory, Paul, right? For cyber security also. Without knowing the knowledge of cyber security, how you are going to make sure your environment is secure at server level, at network level, right? At infrastructure level, correct? Tell me if I'm wrong. At gateway level, everything, right? This course is the mandatory. Varigonda, again, sir, in Linux based regarding network related jobs, can we have network? I did not get you. Means you are only looking for a network engineer role or a cloud engineer role? Why you only wanted to go for the network role and all? Yes, it is there. But if you learn all these things, there are better roles than them. If you are interested, no, very good. That is, but again, I am telling you, at every level, whether you are going for a network engineer role, also there also Linux is mandatory, shell scripting is mandatory. How you are going to make sure your firewall, okay, everything. Though you are working at switches and routers, I know, because when I was in HP and I was part of Linux team only, okay, the next team which is sitting to me, it was a network team only, right? But they were asking questions from us only. Where those switches and router, where those OS will be there, right? They are in network level also, correct? They are also using the same commands and all. They are also using those scripts and all, right? I hope you got my answer, right? So this course is mandatory. This course is, I'm telling you, this is not something dedicated course I have created, right? Correct? So Manohar Sharma sir, what is the scope of a Red Hat satellite? What is the scope of a Red Hat satellite? Satellite servers have been used to make sure they are connected to your server, right? To update the packages. If you have created a local repository, let me make you understand. Okay, if you have created a repository, and that repository you have created it for your local network, right? Where suppose understand with this diagram, it will be more clear for you. Okay, so like this I am explaining, guys, in my let me know if you guys are able to see my screen. See, I'll switch it to my right side because screen is very small. Okay. Okay, so I have shifted to the right side, guys. Okay, because that screen it's not, I cannot see that one in a very laptop and all. Okay, so yeah, just understand this one from here. Okay, I'm just giving you, this is the basic architecture. What are it? See, this is your server, for example, if you're talking about. So first you have to create your own local repo, that you need to make sure, right? So but the reason behind that, why we subscribe to Red Hat satellite servers, you have to understand from here, because ultimately the operating system which you have installed in your server, it's a Red Hat server, it's a Red Hat operating system only, right? And when you are going for the patching purpose, right? So for example, as of now you have made this server as your main yum server, and these are your yum clients and all, means what, these are your all Linux machines only, and every machine you cannot make it as a Yum server. One server you have to make it as a local repository. It's like a workspace. It's like a warehouse where you are going to keep all those RPMs which is required to do the patching of this server. Not only this server, all these servers you have to patch it. How you are going to do it? You have to create a local repo here. You have to create a workspace. Understand this one with a very simple example. Like if I am telling you farmers are there in India, right? If they have to sell their crops and all their vegetables and all, they are going to sell it to government. So where government is going to keep all those things? Into a warehouse, right? So same thing, those RPMs, whatever it is there, first you need to make this server as a local server, or you can say as a local repo, where you have to, if you have to use utility, yum utility or DNF utility, that is yellow dog updater modifier or identified yum, right? So for that, if you are doing, you are installing a package, so you have to create this repo first. Now these machines are going to take the reference or the URL of this machine only, and then these machines are, in these machines also you can install. But when you are going for the patching, what is the patching? Where you are keep on updating your minor versions, right? Yes or no? What is the update and upgrade? Everything I am explaining how patching has been done. So you have to subscribe to the Red Hat network. You have to subscribe to the Red Hat satellite servers and all. Suppose you are working with HTTPD package, and that package is something 7.1.2. Now the next time when your server is out of date, so every 2 weeks we have to do patching, so you have to update that package. So if you are not subscribed to this Red Hat satellite server, how you are going to get those packages to this local server? That is how, and that Red Hat satellite servers are having all those latest packages which you are going to download into this main yum server, and this server is pointing. Now I hope this is clear for you guys, right? Tell me it is clear or not. With real-time troubleshooting, these things I am explaining. There is a proper which all files is there, how to configure, how there is a subscription model is there, how you are going to create the repo, right, in RHEL 9. Everything will be in detail, guys. Okay, so you can understand what sort of a knowledge I am giving to my candidates, right? Wait, guys. This is just a trailer. I have shown it to you guys. It is just a trailer. Like this, there are so many. I have designed my own architect level these diagrams. I have worked as an architect also. 14 years of experience is not a small amount of experience. Almost worked with 8 organization. You tell me which all organization I have not worked with. I have worked with product based company also. Their model I come to know. I worked with service based company also. Everybody wants to join Oracle. I have already worked on. Everybody wants to join HP. I have already worked with HP. Everybody wants to join a company like HCL or Accenture and all. I have worked with these companies also. 8 companies I have worked on, not 1 or 2 companies like others do. So, guys, I am telling you, let me help you. Okay, if you will come forward, I'll help you. If you cannot come forward, I cannot help you. Okay, and at the same time, I request all of you, those who have still not subscribed to my channel, first you go ahead and subscribe the channel. Then only you will come to know about. Forget about Abhishek Roshan, what he's doing. Just go ahead and see the content what I am producing. Might be my thumbnails doesn't look very good, right? I am working in that part and all. But go ahead and listen to those content. You guys will understand what sort of a knowledge I am providing to my candidates. Okay, how the mock interviews are all no one has given more than, I would challenge on this part, 20 mock interviews in my channel, 40 career counselings in my channel. It is more than that also, but because few candidates have been requested that, sir, as I said, I respect every individual privacy policy, confidential policy and all, right? So I have not published. So I respect every individual because everybody is unique. It is nothing impossible. I can challenge on that part. You can do anything. It's all about your consistency. And there are some things which you need to follow once you join my classes. I am going to do a not only technical side, your complete personal development I used to do during those 6 months. Right? At the end, guys, because I don't wanted to drag this live session so much. Okay, so again, I want to thank all of you who has been watching my channel on a regular basis. Please keep doing the same thing. Please share my channel with your friends, family, relatives and everyone, so that they can also get benefit. They should understand, first of all, what exactly, how this IT industry, right? How to work in this IT industry. It's not only working in production environment. There are so many things I discuss in career counseling. You guys can go and see how the mock interviews has been done and all. And if you really want to interact with me on a regular basis and you want me to mentor you for next 6 months, right? Also, you want to strong your technical side, your skills. It's not only getting a job, surviving into this IT industry for next 15 years, then come and join my Batch-4, right? And you have still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe my channel first and press the bell icon for all the latest notification. And please like the videos also, guys. Your support is much more needed for me, right? So guys, let's end up the session here only. Thank you for staying connected with me. Let's connect again next Sunday for another live session, right? Till then, please do take care of yourself, your loved one. Bye bye and Jai Hind, my friend.